This is not just a speaker. This is the key to setting your music free. We've taken high-quality speakers and built in an amplifier and Bluetooth for an all-in-one ceiling speaker solution. You can stream high-quality music to any room without extra hardware or cables in the wall. Our speakers seamlessly disappear into your surroundings, even in your bathroom, thanks to our waterproof option. You can play music from any Bluetooth device, streaming straight from the app of your choice. The speaker is also compatible with Alexa for hands-free voice control. Alexa, play birthday party music.